Okay. Now, when it comes about substation, there are majorly categorized into, with respect to the insulation point of view, two things. One is AIS, another one is GIS. And what do you mean by AIS? It is outdoor substation basically. I mean, your insulation is air, right? Your insulation is air. That is what we call it as a switch yard and etc. Right? So big, but it occupies quite a lot of big space. That is one thing, and it is exposed to open area. Please, these are the pros and cons. You have to have. You have to know that, right? So go through that. It's theory part. Maybe you can understand, but ideally, some may say that what is the major difference between the AIS and GIS? Your limitation will be very simple. You need a more space, guys. Okay. And exposure to the weather and pollution. Because of that, many times the insulator may have to be, get you have to do a lot of maintenance. And AIS cannot be located in the cities. It has to be somewhere outside only. If it is within the cities, it has to be properly fenced, right? So that's the challenge actually. See, these are the small attributes you have to look for it. But advantage, yes, most of the substations are AIS only. Cost is compared to GIS is less only. Okay, spare parts and everything is okay. Fault duration, like a fault point of view, typically up to 63 kilo ohms it is available. 63 kilo ohms, which is huge actually. 63 kilo ohms, which is very huge, right? Great. GIS, what do you mean by GIS? So, which means this can be outdoor as well, and mostly it will be in indoor. Okay, so like what will happen when it comes about GIS? Major advantage is you will have a very less space. Even for the 220 kV substation, you have to just put some small footprint only you need. That's it. That means you will have 70 to 80% of uh, smaller actually. I mean, you can save that much. And this is actually very high cost because GIS is always costly, right? And indoor, maybe you can even put underground also. It is okay, right? These are all the basic concepts, right? You have to understand that, okay? But this technology is very costly, guys. And nowadays they are trying to avoid SF6 gas actually, okay? Because SF6 it is polluting actually. So a lot of governments they are stopping this SF6 gas. They are looking for alternative actually. Let's see. That's one thing. So when to choose what? When you have a lot of land availability, then you can think of this one only, because compared to cost, this is very less. Pollution level, yes, there is some challenges is there, because what do you mean by pollution? See, when your substation is open area, no, it is tend to have environmental, maybe weather, high wind, heavy rain, and etc. Because of that, maybe there could be a short circuit or insulation failure or insulator failure. Those things will happen. That's what that defines your pollution level. Voltage level, it is available 33 kV onwards. It is available, guys. Okay, that outdoor part, right? So GES is compact, very advantage. It is available in both. Hybrid also it is there. GES can be kept on outside also. Both are available, but mostly indoor they will keep it. Okay, so that's the difference. Lead time also, it takes quite a lot of time. You have to order it in the initial stage itself.